Stretch your leg. Stretch your leg. Keep your hand by the side of your body, feet together, palm elevated. Close your eyes, back straight. Start breathing in, stretch your toes. And slow. Push inward. Feel the stretch to your calf. Stretch and in. 2, in. 3, in. 4, in. 5, in. 6, in. Last time. 7. Stretch, stretch. Keep your breathing normal. As you still maintain, keep your breathing normal. Slow. Toes inward, chain. Feel the stretch to your calf muscles under your knees. Great. Very good. We'll practice ankle rotation. Keep your hands by the side. Ankle rotation. 1. Toes closer to the floor. 2. Slow. Breathing. Bring your toes up. Breathing out. Gently roll your toes forward. 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Reverse. Try to take your feet in the same direction. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Fold your legs. Sit in any comfortable pose. You can sit in Ardha Padmasana. Stretch your hands like this. Now we go slightly faster after the second round. Start breathing in. Stretch your hands up. Look up. Keep your head. Breathing out. Gently bring your hands down. 2. You can close your eyes if you want. Fix your gaze towards the ceiling. You will put stretch to your abdomen, to your spine, down. Slightly faster up to next 5 rounds. Up and down. 4, 5, last 2, 6. One last time. Just stretch and maintain. Up. Now you're going to lean forward, halfway forward bend. Stretch. Try to keep your hips on the floor. Stretch forward. Feel the stretch to your shoulder, your lower back. Get your hands up. Shake. Release and just relax. The shoulders may have become a little pain. Just relax. Aankhein band kar lijiye. Just relax. Wait for some. Steady your legs. Keep your hands in with your shoulders. Right hand towards your left foot. And we're going to do as though we are cutting us like a sawing a tree. जैसे पेड़ को आरी चलाते वैसे जैसे पेड़ को काटते ऐसे like this. 1, 2, stretch forward. 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Gently to your right side. Stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't know how much down you can go. 5, 6, 7. Left side. 1. You can keep the other hand back. 2, 3. Go down. 4, 5. Stretch. 6. Try to bring your forehead closer to your knee. Change. Right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last time. Left side. 1. Stretch. 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Last time to your right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Just relax. In a cross leg pose, we'll put Samakayasana. After a forward stretch, we'll do a backward bend to the spine. Sit in a cross pose, hands by the side of your body. Slowly. Push your abdomen, hips forward, shoulder blades at the back closer, expand chest. Let your head hang behind. गर्दन को पीछे लटकने दीजिए. Feel a gentle pressure at the lower back. Release. One more time. Gently bend back. Release one last time. Bend back. Press your palms down. Push your abdomen, hips forward. Expand your chest. Release. And practice for the shoulders will do. Keep your hands on your palms on your shoulders, elbows together. Slow. Keep your head straight. As you breathe in, take your ship up, down, again. 2. Let your elbows point towards the ceiling. 3. Try to join your elbows as you come and bring the front. Maybe it is difficult, but bring them as close as you can. 5, 6, look straight. 7, 8, slowly. 9, and 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Try to bring your elbows closer to each other. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Just relax. Just let all the soreness, the tightness, just relax. डिवाइसेस को म्यूट कर लीजिए ऑडियो को. Keep your feet touching each other. Raise your hips up and just bring your hips a little closer to your feet. See, like. And now practice. Take a little movement of your pelvic joints. Doesn't matter. Just keep your back straight, eyes closed if you can.
Mom has yoga. She has yoga.
Maybe keep your audio closed. Switch off your device. Stop your practice. Keep your hand straight. Right hand on your left knee. Twist your spine. You just begin with a simple practice and then do the regular Bhadrasana or Konasana. Change. Look over your right shoulder. 2 more rounds. Left. Right. Reach your fracture. Now bring your feet a little in the front. Spread your legs. Normally we join the soles. This time we're going to keep the soles apart. पाँव में अंतर रख लीजिए. Hands in Namaskar Mudra. So slightly difficult practice, बिल्कुल अपनी क्षमता के अनुसार. As per your capacity, stretch your hands up. Stretch. Now breathing out, stretch forward. Try to bring your forehead between your feet. Go down. Don't worry how much down you can go. Feel the stretch lower back, the middle back. Open up your pelvic joint. Relieve all the stiffness from the lower part of your body. Stretch. Come up around. Same practice. Stretch your hands up. Breathing out. Stretch forward. Try to bring your forehead to your feet. Come up one last time. Stretch your hands up and breathing out, stretch forward. Go down. Try to go down a little more. Stretch your hands up. Breathing out. Performing one round. And then please stand up. Take the support of your hands and please stand up. Get the practice Tadasana. Start breathing in, stretch your hands up, raise your heels. Hands up, heels up. Keep your eyes open. Breathing out, gently bring your hands down. Heels up. 5 more rounds. Come up, lengthen your spine, stretch. And up. Slowly up. And up. Up. Press your toes nicely, raise your heels up. Last 2 rounds on your own. Complete practice. Just relax. We're going to practice Latin. Keep your feet together, palm level. Keep your eyes open, take your right hand up. Keep your left hand, thumb in front, 4 fingers at the back. Left हाथ की उंगलियां पीछे, अंगूठा आगे की ओर. Stretch your hand up a little more. Give lateral bend to your left side. Come to the center. Take. Keep your right hand thumb in front, 4 fingers at the back. Gently give lateral bend to your right. If you find it difficult to bend, you can always release the hands and then practice again. Change. Right hand to your left side. Stretch your hand up and then bend. हाथ पहले ऊपरी और then bend. Change. Stretch your hand up a little more towards the ceiling. And we're going to make the last round a little longer. Last round. Right hand. Lateral bend to your left side. Maintain. Close eyes if you can. Left hand to your right side. Just relax. When you want to relax your shoulders, just take your shoulders. You can just bend a little forward and just rotate your hand. Just immediately relax your shoulders. Push round clockwise and 2 rounds reverse. We'll practice backward bend. You're going to practice one hand. You keep your left hand at the base of your lower. Place your right hand up and back. Bend back. So push your abdomen hips forward with your left hand. Bend back. Release. 2 more rounds. Right hand take your left hand at the lower back. Push your abdomen hips forward. Bend back. See that you maintain the balance. Fall, girna nahi hai. Last time. Try to maintain slightly longer. Right hand up and back. Those of you got pain, good practice. Release. Change. Right hand goes behind. Repeat 3 rounds. With your left hand up and back. Two more rounds. Left hand up and back. Try to maintain few breaths long if you can. One last time. Bend back. हाथ अच्छे से ऊपर. Keep it straight in the elbow. Push your abdomen, hips forward, bend back. Into a full forward bend. What we are going to do is take the hands a little in between the legs. Spread your legs. Didn't go back pain here. Don't do the practice. Just do a gentle forward stretch. Others, spread your legs. Start breathing in. Stretch your hands up and back. Breathing out. Straight forward. Now let your hands go in as much as you can. Keep your legs straightly. Take them a little more in. Get a little pressure to your abdomen. Up and back. Breathe in, breathing out. Take your hands down. Take them in. Your legs a little more in. Feel the stretch at the back of your legs. Continue the practice. 2-3 round और करेंगे. Up and back. हाथ अच्छे से ऊपर. दोनों पाँव के बीच में अपने हाथ. Let your hands go in between your legs. Little more in. In. Little more in. Practice 3 more rounds. अच्छे से. Let your hands go in between your legs. See, it's a slight difference when you take your hands a little more in. Last 2 rounds. Try to improve your own range of performance. Those of you who want to practice Surya Namaskar can practice 3 rounds. जिनको नहीं करना है पीठ के बल लेट जाइए. Can lie on your back. Others can practice Surya Namaskar. You want to do any squatting practice? Practice with me. चंद्रिका आंटी अपना ऑडियो बंद करो. चंद्रिका आंटी ऑडियो बंद है, देखो जरा. Complete your practice and please lie on your back. पीठ के बल लेट जाइए. Lie on your back and just relax for some time. Others who are halfway through the practice, please complete your practice. Keep comfortable distance between your legs. Keep your hands by the side of your body. Palms facing the sky. Keep your feet together. We practice combination of Ardha Pavanamuktasana and Vakrasana. Practice to strengthen your abdominal muscles and your lower back. Keep your hands by the side of your body, palms facing the floor, Hatelia Zameen, and synchronize the whole practice with your breath. Take your right leg up, fold, interlock your fingers, either from above your knees or under your. Just maintain. Give a gentle pressure to the side of your abdomen. These are important practices in yoga to maintain your abdominal arch. Now breathe in, and as you breathe out, if you have no neck pain, gently raise your head. Head down. One more time. Raise your head up. Down. One last time. Raise your head up. Head down. Only release your hands. Stretch them in line with your shoulders. Now breathe in, breathing out gently. Take your right knee to your left side. Bend your right knee to your left side. Use your left hand to lower your right knee a little more. Place your left hand outside your right knee. Turn your face to your right side. Feel the stretch on the side of your abdomen and gently squeeze to the abdomen on the other side. Come to the center. Feel right leg up. And release it down. Wait a second. Keep the left leg up. Lock your fingers. If you're comfortable, practice 3 rounds of taking your head up. Second round, breathing out, raise your head up. One last. Bring your head down, release your hands, set them in line with your shoulders. Breathe in and gently say left knee to your right side. Place your right hand outside your left knee. Turn your to your left. See the stretch, the twist around your waist, your abdomen. You're massaging the abdominal organ. Come to the center. Raise your left leg up. Breathing out, gently bring it down. Just relax. So, 4 legs in the knee. We practice slight variation of Setu Bandhasana of the bridge pose. Keep your feet together, knees together. Feet together, knees together. Palm elevate, foot elevate. Hands closer to your body. Your palms, elbows nicely pressed, only pressed onto the ground. Gently raise your hips up. Slide your feet away from the पाँव को आगे सरकाएं. Slide your away from the body. Now raise your hips up a little more. In the final pose, hips up a little more. Feet together, knees together. Feel the pressure at the lower back and lower abdomen. Again, bring your feet closer to the body. Raise your hips up. Slide your feet away from the body. Little body slam. Raise your hips up. Bring your hands down, elbows down. Down. One last time, bring your feet closer to the body. Raise your hips up. Slide your feet away from the body. पाँव को body से दूर आगे सरकाएंगे. Go as per your capacity. See if you can raise your hips up a little more. And gently hip down. Bring your, stretch your legs and just relax. Now you're ready to practice leg raises, leg rotation. Cycling, if you're very comfortable, do with one leg. Those who are in your monthly cycle. Those who have got back pain, Abdominal pain, एक एक से ही करना है, only with one leg. And do slowly with breathing. As you breathe in, you take your leg up. Breathing out, gently lower your leg or leg. Support your hands to your hips. Support your lower back as you practice. Complete your practice. Try not to strain your lower back or the lower abdomen. Just relax. Release and relax. Turn to one side. Please lie on your abdomen. Lie on your abdomen. Just relax your back for a few seconds. Keep your chin down. Stretch your hands in front of you. आगे सामने की ओर. Now, as you breathe in, raise your hands up, head up, legs up, like a boat pose, inverted boat pose. So it's too difficult. You get a lot of pressure on the abdomen. 2, down. 3, down. One last step. 4, 3. Keep your chin down. Now, as you breathe, insert your hands under your thighs. Take your right leg up. Keep your leg straight in the knee. Down. Left leg up. Down. Together, both the legs up. Dono paw साथ. Both the legs up. Down. Right leg. Change. Left leg. Together, both the legs. Last time. Right leg, left leg, both the legs. So release your hands from your thighs. For those of you got knee pain, will practice Purna Bhujangasana or Ardha Bhujangasana. Others, we can practice Dhanurasana. For Dhanurasana, fold your legs in the knees, touch your ankle joints. Don't do practice if you have knee pain. घुटनों में दर्द है, नहीं करना है. Come up. Feel the pressure at the lower back. See if you can keep your toes touching each other. Others can just relax. जिनको नहीं करना है, you can just relax. So, complete your practice. Turn to one side. Take your time. Change, sit up. Keep your back straight. Hands on your knees. We'll begin with Kapalbhati, cleansing practice. Try to keep a medium pace, neither too fast nor too slow. मध्यम गति में करना है. Take a deep breath in and start. Stop your practice. We practice deep breathing. Close your nostrils with your thumb. Join your forefinger. चारों उंगलियों को जोड़ लीजिए. Check. Breathe in through your mouth. मुंह से श्वास लेना. Breathe in through your mouth. Swell your cheeks. गालों को फुला लीजिए. Swell your cheeks. Gently take your head down. Chin to your chest. Raise your head up first. Lift your thumb. Breathe out through your nostrils. नासिका से श्वास बाहर. Again, close your nostrils. Breathe in through your mouth. Swell your cheeks. Chin to your chest. Head down. Chin. Breathe out through your mouth. Practice 4 more rounds. Breathing in through your mouth. Out through your nostrils. Practice last 3 rounds. धीरे धीरे मुंह से श्वास अंदर. Take your head down. गालों को फुला लीजिए. Swell your cheeks. Chin to your chest. And gently take your head fully upwards. पहले गर्दन को पूरी तरह से ऊपर लेंगे. उसके बाद नासिका से श्वास बाहर. Last 2 rounds. Try to stay slightly longer. Holding your breath to be slightly longer. Reach your practice. Gently open your eyes. Lie on your back for a longer shavasana. Keep comfortable distance between your legs. Bring your attention to the right side of your body. Bring your attention to your right hand. Relax your right hand thumb, the index finger, the middle finger, the ring finger, the little finger. Relax your 4 fingers and thumb together. Relax your palm, the back of your palm, the wrist, the lower arm, the elbow, the upper arm, the right shoulder, the right side of your chest, waist, abdomen, hip joint, hips, thigh muscles. Relax your right kneecap. Relax your calf muscles, the shin, the ankle joint. Relax your right heel, toe, right big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe. Relax your foot. Now visualize the whole of your right side and relax. Gently shift your attention to the left side of your body. We begin the relaxation with the left hand. Relax your left hand thumb, index finger, little finger, ring finger, little finger. With your four fingers and thumb together, relax your palm, the back of your palm, wrist, the lower arm, the elbow, the upper arm, left shoulder joint, the armpit, side of your chest, waist, abdomen, hip joint, hip, thigh muscles, kneecap, calf muscles, shin, ankle joint, heel, sole. Relax your left big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe. Relax your left foot. Now feel you relax the whole of your left side, the whole of your right side. Now gently bring your attention to the back of your body. That's your lower back, the middle back, the upper back, the back of your neck, the back of your head, the top of your head. Relax your forehead. Relax your eyebrows. Relax your eyes. They're gently closed. Relax your cheeks, nostrils, lips, chin, throat, chest, the abdomen. Mentally glance your body from the toes to the top of your head, from the top of your head to the tips of your toes. Visualize your body lying down on the ground, completely relaxed. Now simply bring your attention to your breathing. Become aware of the body becoming expanding as you breathe in. The begins to shrinking and contracting as you slowly breathe out. Keep your awareness on this expansion and contraction of your body each time you breathe in and breathe out. श्वास लेते हुए शरीर को फूलते हुए और श्वास छोड़ते हुए शरीर को छोटा होते हुए महसूस करें. A few minutes to keep attention on your breathing. Keep your eyes closed and become aware of your body. Move your toes. Gently move your legs. Move your fingers, your hands. turn your head from side to side. Practice that a few times. गर्दन को देखिए right or left. Turn your head from side to side. Come to the center. Now bring your feet together. Stretch your hands behind and interlock your fingers. Stretch your hands behind, interlock your fingers. Gently turn your body to your right side. Give a good stretch. Turn your head also to the right side. Center. Turn your body to the left. Practice 2 more rounds, right side. Practice at your own pace. बिल्कुल अपनी क्षमता अनुसार. Interlock your fingers. Give a good stretch to your body. Turn on the right. Center, left. One last time. Come to the center. Chin. Lower your hand. Turn to one side. Just wait for some time to relax. Turn to one side. Fold hands, Nishkamati. We end the class with the Shanti Path. Atasoma Satgamaya, Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya, Vrityurma Amritam Gamaya, Sarvesham Jyotirbhati, Sarvesham Shantirbhavati, Sarvesham Purnam Bhavati, Sarvesham Mangalam Bhavati, Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. Om Ayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtirardhanam Urvarukam Bandhana Bhrivar Makshiyamrita. Shanti Shanti Shanti. Please come in. Have a nice weekend and thank you. See you all on Monday. Bye.
Thank you, Chitra ma'am.
Bye. Bye.
See you soon.
Bye. Those of you got your videos off, please keep it on for some time. Let me see you all. Bye.
Wait.
Yeah, next class.
Chitra ma'am.